And that's the thing, right? Simplify. Always try and simplify everything. So simplify the tool, because we can't build anything too crazy. It should just be very quick, easy to use. The other thing that I really like about using AI Studio versus using custom GPTs is that when you use a custom GPT, there's not really a nice UI, right? Like the UI is super boring. Whereas, for example, if you're using the UI inside one of these tools, like I'm showing you today, the UI is a lot nicer, right? It's just easier to use, easier to share, etc. So what else we got here? We've got the sales QC analyzer. That's something I do a lot. So I quality control my team sales calls, give them feedback, train them up daily, and measure them based on are they improving or not, right? And so, like, for example, if I could take a sales call and then plug them in through here, that would be really cool, right? Now, again, ChatGPT is like overly complicated, right? So, for example, auto pull from Zoom or GHL, transcribe them with Whisper or Assembly AI, and then run a prompt to summarize a call. The way that I would just do that is I would create a tool inside Google AI Studio, and I'd be like, right, okay, give me a tool that takes my sales call transcript, and then based on my attached sales checklist and the SOP, critique them and give them feedback, and just give them 1 to 3 improvements. That's the way that I would look at it. Right? I'm not going to do that because I don't want to pull up a sales script. It will take me ages to find them. But let's have a look. We've got the ad performance snapshot. That could be quite cool as well. Again, you can see this is pulling in like different APIs. So I'm going to say, don't create tools that pull in API data. Just focus on simple stuff, e.g. YouTube live stream ideas. So I'm actually going to put this prompt inside the notes from today as well. So you just go to ChatGPT, then you're going to use this prompt like so, and then you can just copy and paste that. And then you can see it gives me the goal and how it works, right? So live stream notes builder. So you paste in your live stream topic, and the tool generates a hook and intro lines, 3 to 5 talking points, value, and CTAs.